All right, we're all loaded up. Getting ready to head over to the abandoned property, and there's an old camper shell there. Hopefully, get drug out and get loaded on a dump trailer. And there's a plastic bed liner over there. It's full of drywall, so I'm hoping that goes good. Not sure if my tractor will pick all that up or not. Hopefully, I hope it's lighter than I'm thinking it is. So hopefully get them two big things out on the dump trailer day, and a lot more of that brush cleaned up so we can get in there and do some more work and get a few of those darn teddy bears picked up maybe. So all right, we're loaded up. We're gonna head over. Probably work better if I had that shut. Don't know if I can knock it off there. I don't think I've got anything to knock it off with.
scary now. Well, that was a small workout, but could have been easier. You can see the old garage and the old house, but I think that house actually a trailer from Sears, but I'm gonna see if I can figure it out. I get cleaned up around it. But I will say, Lori's making fun of me because I got a trigger bite that I cannot tell you where it is. And thank God there's only one. Yeah, I think this is probably not a fast way to do this, but it's probably the cheapest, because the only thing I could do is bring a big dozer in and just flatten all this and haul everything out. I don't really want to buy a dozer. I have one, but yeah, I don't know what kind of beer that was, but somebody liked it. So, okay, we're I got all them bottles cleaned up. Probably another pile of them somewhere, but I'm gonna work my way that way. But I don't know if you guys can see all them teddy bears. Millions of them. And flowers, a lot of flowers. And it looks like a decorative toilet cleaner laying there too. Alright, I'm tarped. Only got about half a trailer load. I thought maybe I could fill it up today by noon, but I didn't make it. So, but got quite a bit done. So I'm gonna go home and hook. And I thought about leaving that trailer here, but I don't know. It's supposed to, rain a couple of days too here, and start warming back up. So I don't know how far I'm gonna get. So, but I still got a couple good days of cleaning before I need it. So I might just go home and unhook it, bring the other trailer back, get the tractor, then leave this trailer sat at home for a few days. So, all right, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hope you like, and hope to see you on the next one.